Yes, he does,
Una
Judge.
audiencia de extradición, ¿correcto? Así es, su señoría.
Mr. Munoz, is that correct? You want to waive your right to an extradition hearing?
¿Usted desea renunciar a su derecho de tener una audiencia de extradición?
Sí, correcto.
Yes, that's right.
All right. I have to make sure that you know what you're doing before you say
Sepa lo que
waive.
usted está haciendo antes de decir que usted está renunciando.
All right, so if you ask for an extradition hearing, your attorney will file on your behalf something called a writ of habeas corpus.
Su abogada presentaría algo a nombre de usted que se llama el escrito del habeas corpus.
And if you did that,
Si usted
then
hizo
Governor
eso,
Cuomo
el
would send what's called a governor's warrant to Governor Murphy,
se
the
llama
governor of New Jersey.
gobernador, al gobernador
Governor Murphy would review that
del
warrant
estado de Nueva Jersey.
to see if it's
El
in proper
gobernador
form.
revise la orden
And then Governor Murphy
asegurarse de que
would issue his
el
own
estado
governor's
tenga el
warrant.
formato
You understand
completo.
that?
Y el gobernador Murphy emitiría su propia orden de parte del gobernador. ¿Entiende?
Sí.
Yes.
And I can't tell you specifically how long that
No
would
le puedo
take,
decir específicamente cuánto tiempo van a tardar en hacerlo.
but it could take at least a couple of weeks if that
Pero
doesn't happen.
podrían tardar por lo menos unas cuantas semanas si lo fueran a hacer.
You understand?
¿Entiende?
Sí.
Yes, and I understand.
So once that happened, then I would schedule a hearing.
Si eso pasara,
The
yo...
only issue at that hearing would be whether you are in fact
Lo único que nos podría...
the person that's being charged with the crime.
Es si es que usted de hecho es la persona que ha sido acusada de cometer el delito.
And then whether that crime that you're being charged with is also a crime in New Jersey.
Luego, si es que el delito del que lo han acusado es un delito en Nueva Jersey.
So murder is a crime in the state
El
of New York.
asesinato es un delito en el estado de Nueva
Murder is
Jersey.
a crime in the state of New
El
Jersey.
asesinato es un delito en el estado de Nueva Jersey.
And then you would be subject to extradition.
Y luego estaría sujeto a que lo extraditaran.
During that period, you would not be
Durante
entitled to any jail
el
credits.
tiempo no tendría el derecho de recibir crédito por haber cumplido tiempo de cárcel.
Now, knowing that you have the right to a hearing,
Ahora, habiendo
do
sido
you wish to
informado
waive
de
that
que
right,
usted tiene el derecho
immediately return to the state of New York to face these charges?
renunciar a ese derecho y regresar al estado de Nueva York para responder a estos cargos?
Yes.
Yes.
Any questions for your attorney?
¿Tienen preguntas que hacerle a su abogado?
No.
No.
Counsel, any questions?
Señor abogado.
No,
¿tiene
Judge.
preguntas?
Mr. House, anything?
Estamos
All right, you're hereby remanded back into the same county jail.
guardan a
Where you will remain in
la
custody
cárcel de
until
San
law enforcement agents from the
y
state of
ahí
New
se va a
York
entregar a
take
agentes
you into their
del
custody
estado
to
de
return
New
you to
York.
the state of New York.
Ellos lo van a detener y lo van a regresar, lo van a traer de vuelta al estado de Nueva York.
And we'll just put a control date on
Y
it.
vamos a programar una fecha o una cita de control.
July 26th. All right, so what I've done, Mr. Munoz, is I've placed what's called a control date
Es programar
on your case. That means I will be scheduled back before you on July 30th. The only
lo voy
purpose
a
for that
programar
hearing
para el
would
20
be
de
to make
julio.
sure that the
El
state of
único
New York
objetivo de esa
came to
audiencia
pick
está
you up,
asegurarme de
return you
que
back to
el
the state
estado
of
de
New
Nueva
York.
York haya venido a buscarlo y regresarlo al estado de Nueva York para que usted responda a estos cargos.
You understand that?
¿Entiende?
Sí.
Yes.
Any questions at all?
¿Tienen preguntas?
No.
No.
Okay, thank you.
Bien, gracias.
Judge, I have the order for dismissal.
La orden de
Should we bring it up?
designación.
Yes.
Of the fugitive warrant.
¿Cómo?
No puedo esperar.
¿Cómo?
No puedo esperar.
Después de esperar.
No puedo esperar.
¿Dónde? A las órdenes.
Sí, la cámara no tiene muy bien.
¿Cómo?
Esa cámara no tiene
Oh,
muy bien.
Okay, thank you. All right, who, and you're next?
Speaking to Mr. Santiago Rodriguez.
Mr. Santiago Rodriguez? Yes,
Judge, do you get the waivers
I do.
to be signed now?
Yeah, they actually, can I just-
Ahora sí, señor. Le voy a poner los audífonos para que no oiga el sonido. ¿Está bien? Disculpe. ¿Están bien puestos?
Sí.
Okay, we're using a different interpreter, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, interpreter, just please raise your right hand and listen to the other.
I do. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Mercedes Avalos, A-V-A-L-O-S, A-O-U-S-C, federally certified Spanish interpreter.
Okay, you have to move to me, Ms. Alvarez. All right, sir, are you Santiago Rodriguez?
Sí.
Yes.
And for the state of New Jersey, Mr. Casanos?
Nicholas Casanos will stay on.
Okay, can you please state the charges?
Your Honor, Mr. Rodriguez has been charged in the state of New Jersey on warrant complaint W 2018-2952-1608 as a fugitive from justice based on charges stemming out of the state of New York for homicide, manslaughter, and assault.
Okay, Mr. Rodriguez, you've been charged in the state of New York with the crime of murder. And the state of New York is asking that the state of New Jersey send you back there to answer these charges. Do you understand that?
Sí.
Yes.
And you have the right to counsel. And have you met with your attorney?
No.
No.
Ms. Fallon's standing right next to you. Did you have any conversation with her about what's happening here today?
Sí.
Yes.
Are you understanding the interpreter okay?
Sí.
Yes.
And Ms. Fallon, it's my understanding that the defendant wishes to waive his right to an extradition hearing.
That's correct, Your Honor, he does.
All right, Mr. Rodriguez, is that correct? You want to waive the right to an extradition hearing?
Sí.
Yes.
Before you do that, I just want to explain to you what would have been involved in that. I want to make sure that you know you're involuntarily waiving this right. So if you file for an extradition hearing, you file something called writ of habeas corpus. And if you do that, I think Governor Cuomo, who's the governor of the state of New York, will send what's called the governor's warrant for your arrest to Governor Murphy, who's the governor of the state of New Jersey. Governor Murphy would take a look at it, and if it is in proper form, then Governor Murphy would issue his own governor's warrant. That would come to me. I would then look at it and we'd have a hearing, but the hearing is very, very limited. The only thing that we would talk about at that hearing is whether you are being charged in New York with a crime that is also a crime in New Jersey. So murder is a crime in the state of New York, and murder is a crime in the state of New Jersey. And the only other issue is, are you who you are, or who you are in fact, Mr. Santiago? You understand that?
Sí.
Yes.
Now, knowing that you have the right to a hearing, do you wish to waive that right and immediately return to the state of New York to face these charges?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No.
No.
You remanded back to the Passaic County Jail where you will remain in custody until law enforcement agents from the state of New York take you into their custody to return you to the state of New York. Well, it's a control date of July 30th. What I'm doing by that, Mr. Rodriguez, is we are making sure that you don't fall through the cracks. We want to make sure that the New York comes and picks you up. If for some reason you appear in my court in 30 days, then we have to reach out to the state of New York to see why they don't come back. You understand that? Or July?
Yes.
July 26th? July 26th. Any questions at all?
No.
Ms.
No.
Fallon, anything?
Just one thing to add, Your Honor. Mr. Santiago, like all of the defendants this morning, has executed an invocation of his Fifth Amendment rights. I have provided a copy of that. We've all provided copies of that to the prosecutor, and I want that on the record for all defendants today.
Okay. All right, and I see his signature on this waiver, Ms. Fallon. That is in fact his signature, correct?
Yes, it is, in fact, his
And he
signature.
signed that for you, correct?
He did, and I'll be handing up, Your Honor, the dismissal of the fugitive.
Okay, thank you. All right, thank you. We can take it back to the secretary.
Martinez.
Martinez.
Again, we're using the services of interpreter. Sir, what is your name, please?
Señor, ¿cómo se llama? Diga su nombre y apellido, por favor.
Juanaki Martinez.
Juanaki Martínez.
I'm sorry, the first name, please?
Disculpe, repite su nombre.
Juanaki Martinez.
Jonaiki.
Martinez.
Jonaiki Martínez.
On Nike?
Jonaiki.
Can you spell that, please?
Yes, sir.
¿Cómo se deletrea su nombre?
Joniki.
N-I-I.
Last name Martinez.
Apellido Martínez.
Martinez.
Okay, counsel, can you give your appearance, please?
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. Thomas McClellan on behalf of Mr. Martinez.
On behalf of the state,
We're going to go to Tom.
Ms. Gonzalez, will you state the charges against Mr. Martinez, please?
Diga los cargos que puso en contra del señor Martínez, por favor.
Mr. Martinez has been charged
Señor Martínez
by way of
ha sido
warrant
acusado.
complaint W
Recuerdo que en el número de la
2018
denuncia W
2951
2018
as a fugitive from justice
como prófugo de justicia
based on charges stemming out of the state
por
of New York
cargos que
for homicide,
en el estado de
manslaughter,
New York por
and assault.
homicidio culposo y agresión.
All right, so Mr. Martinez, you've been charged in the state of New
El
York
estado
with
de
crime
New
of
York
murder.
lo ha acusado
And the state of
de
New York is asking the
asesinato.
state of New Jersey
El
to
estado
send
de
you
New
back
York
to
pide
the
que el estado de New Jersey lo mande para allá para que usted responda en sus cargos. ¿Entiende?
Sí.
Yes.
And you have the right to
Usted
counsel.
tiene el derecho de ir al abogado.
And have you met with your counsel today?
¿Usted ya se ha reunido hoy con su abogado?
Oh, yeah.
¿Cómo?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions for him right now?
¿Tiene preguntas que hacer de a él ahora mismo?
No.
Nothing, no.
My counsel, it's my understanding that the defendant wishes to waive his right to
Acusado
extradition.
desea
Is that
renunciar a
correct?
su
That is
derecho
correct,
de
Your Honor.
audiencia de extradición. ¿Es correcto? Es correcto, su señoría.
Mr. Martinez, is that
Señor
correct?
Martínez, ¿es correcto esto?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, means yes, I'm not sure. You have to say yes. I
Eso
don't know what
significa
that
sí,
means.
tiene que decir sí. Para que
Sí.
yes.
All right, so we just have to make sure that you're doing this
Tengo que
knowingly and
asegurarme que
voluntarily.
usted esté
So you have
haciendo
the right
esto
to contest your extradition if you chose to do
tiene el
so.
derecho de oponerse a que
The
lo
way you would do
extraditen
that
si
is
se
to
decide
file what's
hacerlo.
called a writ of
Decide
habeas corpus.
oponerse,
Now, if
tiene
you
que
did that,
presentar un escrito de
Governor Cuomo from the
Si
state
usted
of
lo
New
hace,
Jersey
el
will send what's called a
gobernador
governor's
del
clock
estado de New Jersey
to
le manda
Governor
un orden
Murphy,
del gobernador
Governor of New
al
Jersey.
gobernador Murphy, el gobernador de New Jersey.
Governor
El
Murphy will review it.
Murphy
And if it
lo
was
va a
a proper
revisar
form,
siempre y cuando
then
esté
Governor Murphy
en
will
orden,
issue his own governor's
es
clock.
en orden debido, el gobernador Murphy emite su propia orden del gobernador.
That warrant would come to me and we would schedule
Voy
a
a
hearing.
recibir dicha orden del gobernador y vamos a programar una audiencia.
And the only two things that we would
Las
talk
únicas
about
dos
at that
cosas que
hearing
nos tocaría
is whether
abordar
you are in
durante esa
fact
audiencia, si es que usted de hecho es
Nike Martinez,
Joneki Martínez
and whether or not the crime
y si
for
es
which you were
que
charged
el delito del que
in New York
lo acusaron
is also a crime in the
en
state of
Nueva
New
York
Jersey.
también es delito en el estado de Nueva Jersey.
Murder is a crime in the
El
state of New York.
asesinato es un delito en el
And
estado
murder
de
is a
Nueva
crime
York,
in the state of New
también es
Jersey.
un delito en el estado de Nueva Jersey.
Now, knowing that you have the right to a
Habiendo
hearing, do
sido
you wish
informado
to
de que
waive
tiene
that
el
right
derecho
and
de tener
immediately
una
return
audiencia,
to the state of New
desea
York to face
renunciar
these charges?
a ese derecho y regresar inmediatamente al estado de Nueva York para enfrentar estos cargos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions that you want to ask me?
¿Tiene preguntas en absoluto que hacerle?
No.
Nothing.
Counsel, do you have anything?
Señor abogado,
No, Your Honor.
Quisiera agregar algo.
Remanded back to the Passaic County County Jail, where you will remain in
ordeno que
custody
lo vuelvan a
until
mandar
law
a Estados
enforcement
Unidos
agents from the state of New York
unos
take
agentes
you into
del
their custody and
orden
return
público
you
de
to
Nueva
the
York
state of New
lo
York.
van a buscar y lo van a regresar al estado de Nueva York.
July 26th is
Voy
your
a
control
proclamar
date.
una
That means that I've scheduled that
fecha,
just to make sure that you will get
hemos
that by the
programado una
state of
cita
New
para
York.
ver si el día 26 de julio, solamente para asegurarme de que los del estado de Nueva York
You've
vayan
already
a
been taken
buscar.
back to the state of New York,
Yes,
obviously. There's going to be no need for you
Lo
to
llevan
do that.
al estado de Nueva York, no será necesario que llevemos a cabo la audiencia ese día.
Do you have any questions at all?
¿Tienen preguntas en absoluto?
No.
No tengo.
Thank you.
Gracias. I think he was trying to tell him where that kind of game is, that's why. That's okay. Yeah, I think that's
Your Honor, do you have a report of dismissal? Martinez?
Your Honor, I'm going to the order.
Judge Manuel Rivera, please.
Cuando llegara, me voy a poner el película para que lo vea. Tenga. Sí.
Okay, again, we're using the services of this court interpreter. Mr. Rivera, can you hear the court interpreter?
Sí.
Yes,
Can you understand the English, the Spanish that she's speaking?
Sí.
yes.
Okay, Mr. Alexander?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Rivera has been charged with a way of warrant complaint W 2018-2949-1608 as a fugitive from justice out of the state of New York for the charge of homicide, manslaughter, and assault.
All right, Mr. Rivera, you've been charged in the state of New York with the crime of murder. And the state of New York is asking the state of New Jersey to send you back there to answer these charges. Do you understand that?
Sí.
Yes,
You have a right to an attorney. Have you met with your attorney?
No.
no,
Your attorney is standing right next to you. Do you recall seeing her earlier in the day?
Judge, for the
Yes.
record, all of these gentlemen are thinking that their attorneys will be in New York, but they've spoken with the attorneys in New Jersey.
All right, so Mr. Rivera, the attorney that's standing next to you here in New Jersey, have you had sufficient time to talk to your attorney about what we're doing here today?
Sí.
yes,
All right, it's my understanding that the attorney wishes to waive his right to an extradition here, correct?
That is correct, yes.
And Mr. Rivera, is that correct? You wish to waive your extradition hearing?
Sí.
yes,
In my effort to determine whether you're doing this knowingly and voluntarily, I want to tell you what an extradition hearing would involve. If you requested an extradition hearing, you would file what's called a writ of habeas corpus. And once you did that, Governor Cuomo from the state of New York would send what's called a governor's warrant to Governor Murphy, who's the governor of the state of New Jersey. Governor Murphy would review it to make sure that it's complete in proper form. And then Governor Murphy would issue his own governor's warrant. You understand that?
yes,
He would send that governor's warrant to me, and I would schedule a hearing. Now, at that hearing, there would only be two real issues. One, whether you are in fact Manuel Rivera. And two, whether murder is a crime in the state of New Jersey and in the state of New York. And I can tell you that murder is a crime in the state of New York, and murder is a crime in the state of New Jersey. Do you understand that?
Sí.
yes,
And knowing that you have the right to a hearing, do you wish to waive that right and immediately return to the state of New York to face these charges?
Sí.
yes,
Do you have any questions or you want to ask me?
No.
as your attorney?
No.
no, no,
Remanded back to the Passaic County Jail where you will remain in custody until law enforcement agents from the state of New York take you into their custody, return Okay, again, we're using the services of our interpreter. Sir, what is your name, please?
¿Cómo se llama?
José
Su nombre completo.
Tavares.
José Tavares.
Mr. Tavares, are you having any trouble hearing our interpreter?
¿Tiene dificultades para oír al intérprete?
Good.
Good. Good. Good. Puede oír bien, ¿verdad?
And are you understanding the Spanish that he speaks?
¿Y usted entiende el español que él le habla?
Okay, yes.
Okay, yes.
All right, so there's no dialect problem that you're having, you understand
No hay
Spanish that he
problema
speaks?
con respecto al dialecto. ¿Usted entiende el español que él le habla?
Ajá, sí.
Ajá, yes.
Okay, make sure you say yes.
Y
because I don't know
asegúrese de que diga la palabra sí.
Mr. Cassandra?
Señor, ¿están cansados?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Gracias, su señoría.
Mr. Tavares has been charged
Tavares ha sido acusado
on warrant complaint W 2018-2948-1608 as a fugitive from justice for charges stemming out of the state of New York for homicide, manslaughter, and assault.
Con cargos de homicidio, homicidio culposo y agresión.
And so, Mr. Tavares,
Señor Tavares,
you've been charged in the state of New
el
York
Estado de Nueva York
with the crime of murder.
acusado de cometer el delito
The
de
state of New York
asesinato.
is asking
Y
the
el
state of
Estado
New
de New
Jersey
York pide que el
to
Estado
send
de
you
New
back there
Jersey lo mande
to answer
de
these
vuelta
charges.
para
You
acá para que
understand
usted responda a estos cargos. ¿Entiende?
Yes, sí.
Yes.
So you have the right to an attorney. You have met with your attorney who's standing next to you
Usted
today.
se ha reunido hoy con la abogada que está de pie al lado suyo.
Sí.
Yes.
Ms. Fallon, it's my understanding that
Licenciado
the defendant wishes to waive his
el
right to
acusado desea
extradition.
denunciar su derecho de
That is
la
correct, Your Honor, he
denuncia de
does.
extradición. ¿Es correcto? Es correcto, su señoría, sí.
Mr. Tavares, is that correct?
Es correcto.
You waive your right to an
¿Usted
extradition
desea
hearing?
renunciar a su derecho de tener una audiencia de extradición?
Sí.
Yes.
Before you officially do that,
Usted lo
I have
haga
to determine whether you know that you're doing it knowingly and voluntarily.
lo ha hecho a sabiendas y voluntariamente.
So you have the right to contest the
Tiene el derecho
extradition
de
by filing a legal
oponerse a que
plea
lo
that's known as a
extraditen.
writ
Pero
habeas
puede
corpus.
ser por presentar un escrito que se llama el escrito de habeas corpus.
And if you did do this, the governor
Lo
Cuomo,
hace,
the governor of the state of New York,
es el gobernador
would send what's called the governor's warrant
manda una orden
to
del
Governor
gobernador
Murphy, who's the
a
governor of the state of New
Murphy, que
Jersey.
es el gobernador del estado de Nueva Jersey.
Governor Murphy
El
would
gobernador
review it
Murphy la revisa,
and determine if it is in proper
determina
form.
si es que está en
And then Governor Murphy would issue his own governor's
Gobernador
warrant.
Murphy emite su propia orden de gobernador.
He would send that warrant to
Él
me.
me mandaría la orden,
I would schedule a hearing.
yo programaría una audiencia.
But the only issues at that hearing would be whether you are in fact the person being charged.
Son que si usted de hecho es la persona que ha sido acusada.
And whether the crime for which you're being charged in New York is also a crime in the state of New Jersey.
También es delito en el estado de Nueva Jersey.
Murder is a
Y el
crime in the
asesinato
state of
es
New
un
York.
delito en el estado de
Murder
Nueva
is a
York.
crime in the
También
state
es
of
un
New Jersey.
delito en el estado de Nueva
Understand that?
Jersey. ¿Entiende eso?
Sí.
Yes.
And knowing that you have the right to a
También es
hearing, do you wish to waive that
el
right?
derecho de tener una
Immediately
audiencia.
return to the state
Desea
of New York to
renunciar
face
a
these
ese
charges?
derecho y regresar inmediatamente al estado de Nueva York para responder a esos cargos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions at all that you
¿Tiene
want to ask
una
me?
absoluta que hacerle?
No.
No.
Any questions for
¿Tiene
your
preguntas
attorney?
que hacerle a su abogado?
En the Bronx.
In the Bronx.
In the Bronx, okay.
En el Bronx. Está bien.
You're hereby remanded
Por la
back to the
presente,
Passaic County Jail,
ordeno que
where
lo
you
manden a la
will
cárcel
remain
de
in
Passaic.
custody
Va a seguir
until
detenido
law
ahí
enforcement
hasta que los
agents from the
agentes
state of New
del
York
orden público de Nueva
take
York
him into
tengan
their
buscado,
custody
lo van a detener y lo van a llevar de vuelta al estado de Nueva York.
I
Yes, sí.
said it was called control date, you know, July 26th in New Jersey. That's just the date that I set
Apenas
to
el
make sure
programa
it
esa
doesn't
cita
go through the
para
cracks.
asegurarme de que ya
And
lo han
between now and
buscado
then,
para
law
seguir
enforcement
estando
agents
pendiente
from the
de
state
este
of New
caso.
York have
Y
taken
quiero
it back.
asegurarme de que los agentes de Nueva York ya lo hayan buscado para mandarlo de vuelta para acá antes de esta fecha.
Obviously, if they take it
Obviamente,
back here, since
si
they're
ya,
not required to appear on
si
it.
ya para ser llamado para allá. No será necesario que usted comparezca ese día.
Do you have any questions at all that you want to ask?
¿Tiene preguntas en absoluto que hacerme?
No.
No.
Any questions at all you want to ask?
Pregunta en absoluto que hacerle a su abogado?
In the Bronx.
In the Bronx.
Not touching me here.
Okay, thank you.
Entiendo.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Gracias, su señoría.
Okay. Sir, what's your name?
No, Fernandez.
I really need you to lift your head up and face me so I can hear you.
Yeah.
Okay. And you do not need the services of the Spanish interpreter, correct?
No.
You understand English perfectly, is that correct? You have to say yes or no, you can't.
Yes.
Yes, all right. So state your full name and spell it for me, please, just so I can make sure.
DANEL, FERNANDEZ.
Daniel Fernandez, correct?
Correct.
Mr. Texanos, with the charge.
Your Honor, Mr. Fernandez is charged on New Jersey warrant complaint W-2018-29506-08 as a fugitive from justice based on charges stemming out of the state of New York for homicide, manslaughter, and assault.
Okay, so Mr. Fernandez, you've been charged in the state of New York with the crime of murder. And the state of New York is asking the state of New Jersey to send you back there to answer these charges. You understand that?
Yes.
You have the right to counsel. Have you met with your attorney? The one that's standing next to you, sir. Have you met with the gentleman who's standing next to you? That
Yes.
attorney, not the New York attorney. Yes?
Yes.
Counsel, it's my understanding that the defendant wishes to waive his right to an extradition, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor, he does.
Mr. Fernandez, is that right? You want to waive your right to an extradition hearing?
Yes.
Do you have any questions of me at this point? I don't know what that means. You have to say yes or
No.
no. No? Well, to make sure that you're waiving your right knowingly and voluntarily, I want to make sure that you understand what the extradition hearing would involve. So you have a right to contest the extradition by filing what's called a writ of habeas corpus. If you do that, then Governor Cuomo would send what's called a governor's warrant. He's the governor of the state of New York. He would send a governor's warrant to Governor Murphy, who's the governor of the state of New Jersey. And Governor Murphy would review it. And if it's in proper form, then Governor Murphy would issue his own governor's warrant. You understand that?
Yes.
And that governor's warrant would come to me, and I would schedule a hearing. You understand that?
Yes.
Now, the hearing is very limited. One, I would just have to determine whether you are in fact the person named in the complaint coming out of New York. You understand that?
Yes.
And whether or not the crime that you were charged with is a crime also in the state of New Jersey. And you're charged with the crime of murder. That is a crime in the state of New York. And murder is a crime in the state of New Jersey. You understand that?
Yes.
Do you have any questions of me at this point?
No.
Knowing that you have the right to a hearing, do you wish to waive that right and immediately return to the state of New York to face these charges?
Yes.
Do you have any questions you want to ask your lawyer?
No.
One that's here.